How would you react if someone told you that your name can influence your everyday choices as well as your life shaping decisions? Your name can powerfully affect your individuality, personality, and destiny. Often, your name is decided before birth and is subconsciously sensed or picked up by your parents. It is said that your name will carry the vibrational signature of your past, present, and future potentials. Friends, this is Dr. Neeti Sharma. I study and practice astrology, Vastu, palmistry, numerology, and other occult sciences. Friends, today I will tell you the personality traits of persons whose name starts with alphabet U. Talented. They have the skill that someone has to do something very well that people usually like and that is difficult. This talent is created, not born, though they have to work very hard if they want to perform well. With their talent, they are known to draw on complex bodies of knowledge to solve specific problems. Hardworking. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and lot of hard work. Alphabet U people are very hardworking in nature. Unique. The most important thing which makes a you person a unique one is that his or her ability to willingness to be oneself and stand out from the crowd. The most unique people in the world are the people who fully embrace who they are and are willing to live life according to everything that makes up who they are. Writers. You can always edit a bad page, but you can't edit a blank page. Alphabet U person are great at their writing skills. Every secret of a writer's soul, every experience of his life, every quality of his mind is written large in their works. They engage in writing books, articles, stories, etc., especially as an occupation or profession, like an author or journalist. Artistic. Art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time. An artistic you personality uses their hands and mind to create new things. They appreciate beauty, unstructured activities, and variety. They enjoy interesting and unusual people, sights, textures, and sounds. Intuitive. An intuitive you person is someone who generally has a feel for something. Either they know something's going to happen or have a feel for whatever or not a situation is positive or negative. They find meaning from underlying symbols or patterns of events. They know things from info they receive subconsciously. They display a level of thinking and sensitivity that sets them apart. Freedom loving. They love their freedom and hate unwanted interference. They enjoy the power of liberty to order one's own actions, not being totally constrained. Disorganized. The clutter continues to accumulate. It has all of their life. They can't find their car keys or their cell phones. They get in the car to go somewhere and then find themselves going in the wrong direction. If they have a workplace, it's a mess. Nothing is ever where it's supposed to be. They sometimes suffer what psychologists call chronic disorganization, though they have higher intelligence and greater creativity. Adventurous. An adventurous is someone who is willing to take chances and risks. They are courageous, physically bold, and tough people. They will stand up to anyone who dares to take advantage of them. Wisdom. The ability to make sensible decisions and judgments because of your knowledge or experience is what a you person stands for. A wise person is not necessarily who have more knowledge, but who knows how to use it in the most positive and effective way. Friends, this is all for alphabet U person. Next, we will come up with the persons whose name starts with alphabet V.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon button, share and like the video.